guys, yazi ngihleli la ngiyabuka ukuthi ever since uNesithembu season 9 has been announced ukuthi it has come to an end. Abantu busy trying to analyze yonke into bekade yenzeka throughout the season. But one thing that caught my attention is this one. The post that you are seeing on your screen right now. So on this post, lo muntu lona is suspecting that Umpilo is not Musamselegu's child, and I want us to talk about that and more here on this video. But before we start with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So let us quickly get into it. Now, ngithema abanqhamuka kule post lena, angifuni uqamba amanga ngithi it shocked me. Nah, it didn't shock me. In fact, it's something that has been crossing my mind recently. You know, after izinto musazenzayo kumpilo, you'd swear ukuthi ngeke ngathi akayiyona ingane yakhe straight. You know, you can see ukuthi Musamseleku loves Usine more than Umpilo. I mean, Usine ingane nje ezalelayo. Even worse recently, uvele watshela uMusa ukuthi umithi ingane angayazi naye noma ingabani. Umpilo graduated this is it last year? It was last year. But she has a job. Unlike Usine. Umpilo can tell you ingane sebenzayo, but you can feel ukuthi uMusamseleku loves Usine more than Umpilo. So angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Iqale lento lena laphaya ukuthi Umpilo kumele ashintshe isibongo. Umpilo uzowahamba oshintshela yena isibongo. Ngiyumjida, ngiyindoda. Ayikho indoda engekithanda ukuthi ingane yakhe ibiza isibongo sayo, but uMusamseleku was dragging his feet when it comes to that. Even ekhambeni ayokhokha izinto kuBukampilo, he was dragging his feet even there. Kwabuya ke manje Umpilo washintsha isibongo sakhe, okay fine, kwaba right. uMusamseleku shocked me even worse this season. Lapho sicela khona Umpilo ukuthi azale ingane yakhe. And I was like, what the hell is going on here? uMusamseleku uzama ukwenzani? Ubani ongacela ingane yakhe eyizala ukuthi imzalele ingane? What the hell is that? You know, ngabona lapho ukuthi khona into wrong la. Now avela wazoyenza worse ke la kulama seasons la wogcina. Wayithola uMakhumalo on national television that akana ndaba yena noMpilo. Akayingena indaba. Why would you say that about your own daughter? So umuzameni ungididila bafethu ngifuna ungasho. So lo muntu lona mangabe ethi there's probably something that uMusamseleku is hiding from Umpilo, or he's hiding the real reason why inkinga kanje noMpilo. Ngiyamcall like lento leni icabangayo guys. I'm also thinking about it, but then we could be wrong. Mhlambe nje uMusamseleku uyayithanda ingane yakhe ithina la besikhuluma kakhulu. So comment down in the comment section, ladies and gentlemen. Share your thoughts, share your opinions about this topic. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please like the video. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please press the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. And all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.